2019, Los Angeles police were called to a reported kidnapping in the Limat Park neighborhood. Although the kidnapper had already driven off with the victim by the time of their arrival, audio of the abduction was recorded by a resident's doorbell camera. As the neighbours watch on, the victim can be heard screaming for help. Despite comments suggesting that the woman was the kidnapping victim to Shira Boughton, she herself has denied this.